speak Korean, so I'm so sorry.
I do my best.
Thank you. All right, I appreciate it. All right, so yes, I was, when Brother Mutha said, I always wanted that the kids would come because on Saturdays we have a time of song and dance at Newport Landing. And he said, when you have the song and dance, if you could share a few words also. And I said, yes, because God is so good that I think all of us always have something to share. Especially from everyday experiences we have. So I also prepared a small slideshow. All right. I'd like to request Brother to kindly start the slide. All right. You see this picture, right? I think you all would remember the storm we had on June 9th, a Sunday, like 3 weeks ago. We were also out of electricity for 2 whole days. So I think everyone remembers what that was like, right? Now, in this picture, what do you notice?
Tree fall off.
Okay, good. All right. The next slide, please.
What did you see?
So you said you saw a tree fall down. Did you notice anything else?
Dry leaves.
Very good. Yes. All right. Next slide, please. Okay. For those who live in the area that goes to Newport Landing, it's called Walnut Hill. You may have noticed this on the curb, right? This particular tree. So this tree had crashed and a portion of it was broken off. But there's a part that's still stuck to the tree. And so the part that's still stuck to the tree is still green. But the part that's completely broken off, that's brown. And the leaves have withered. Okay, next slide, please. The picture I had when I saw that tree was this. John 15 verses 4 to 8. Yeah, I think it would be nice. Thank you. You can read in Korean. Yeah. So the picture of that tree spoke so clearly to me about this portion of the Bible.
But the lot of clone work quite a block on the Casavia, Palopolo, at least the way to send it.
Just like that tree that had broken off and had withered because it was not connected to the tree anymore,
Bamdukola and Thila, Diwane, the Saklola, Buta, Tola, Tid, Kola Vanilla.
as believers,
Dito Posukin another Yatone.
all of us also, we need to remain in Christ.
What they kill a night, Babuta Savulak Sai, she clean along.
Always.
Tobonilla.
Sometimes we think our spiritual life is separate from our everyday life.
The Bolobosum will tabuta baro, nota the coro, no kotoko, Musimugota, Umunita Ditova, Batola that they were Somodine.
When we go to work and when we go shopping or we go to the mall or we go to the grocery store, we think, oh, that's another life, but in church, it's another life.
The Bolobala Puida, Mada Pita, Mada Pahara, can let that clan if someone when it is our Mulata Clella, the Luba, let our Pamata Mupata, let our Punaru Mata Mupatani Urilo.
But what Christ has commanded us
Basaka secret Edola Mune,
is that we are rooted in Him
but Tobun and Buta Sebula Tala Onilo,
and that we remain in Him.
Tobu Tokala Onilo,
And in that way,
a Hotadado,
we can bear fruit.
but get that Onilo.
We know the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience.
Tata Quiplan everything, Alata Tata Quiplan.
So that is a way we can measure what kind of fruit am I bearing if I say I am a Christian.
But to the roll of a tala, Tata Quipla, Plane, but Tapellet, Glule, Tele, Lile, who never to the rogal, but our work put out with the
Another verse, the 7th verse said that if you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you.
Tu me ule ye pud or ye look at me ule tu pud or peda tu ta tu heta or tu can name along.
Sometimes the concern is that we want the later part, the ask for whatever you want and you'll get it. We want only that part.
The roll of a sumo, open Mikina Nikisaki, Kabahi, Pala, of a sumo, but Talo de Tenil.
But the word encourages us
Lely Sosi to Luvatone.
that the first thing is we remain in Him.
The Kadukatane, Babuta Sebula on La Sugatan.
Because when we do that,
Pemimadine,
our attitude is right with God
but Patu Patane,
And
our Balak Sayua,
and we ask things that He puts in our heart
Pedo Pevkiolex, awake Umulepatabu,
so that we can bear fruit.
when it up again, Taba, Tata Fanilo,
And this would be to the glory of God.
when it Amalak Bolakasaya Gonilo.
So I hope you remember that, the picture of that tree, and think of it as you and where you stand in your relationship with Christ.
Hune, dita Putumitin note, Awati Lotguta of Huanine, Tutinola, Tubabuta Sabula Kasaya Tobone, Edo Hibanilo.
And the next slide, please.
Lucky to come.
So this is just a kind of summary of it, that when we remain in Christ, what happens or what it is for us.
When it Maluputakala, Mibuta Ubulakasayani, Pakela, Tamukela Dilanilo.
Psalm 1:1-3.
Where Tacit of a sort of test, I would tell you that.
You could please read it.
Well, at the labor, Bawella, but the total ba a good palota poo, or the Sata Bawella, Puamata de Bagle, or the Sina Bawella, what do you do at our loss in Avani, Basuelo, Mulawella, Juata to the Topu, Lola Tatu Datoni Sukmuella, Musasela Munala, Dikamata di Tulota, Lati Pukloni, let that Tola Sacro Dawer, a lot of lonely Batonilla, Nokieta Amara to Milalani, Kaketo Luto Talo.
My prayer is that each of us present here today would take with us this message seriously, that we would be like that tree, planted by streams of water. The leaves do not wither.
He but in Yan, Dito 3 put La Tipoclo Nine, La Higido Ma, where La Loni Bata, Mutone, where Calapro Mudo, Kelo Tadine, La Pasamladine.
And that whatever you do prospers to the glory of God.
And Marageta Maracella Niketo Lutonilla.
All right. Thank you. I'm sorry. I know it took a little more time than the time he had.
Appreciate your message.
All right.
Tabu the man, I would tell the Tovana, Polana.